Hey guys, welcome. It's Dave Santarelli here from BreakingChartAlerts.com. I hope you guys were able to catch us this morning during our live trading session on YouTube. We were 4 for 4 this morning with our trades. We closed out a McDonald's trade. That was a really nice gain there, MCD. We closed that out this morning near the highs of the morning there. Beautiful trade, made us some nice returns on that. Closed that out for about a 64% gain. Next, we closed out Nike. Nike, we ended up closing out for a big trade. We made a day trade on Docusign. That ended up taking off this morning, as you can see here this morning on opening bell. Here was opening bell this morning. We got in that trade at, I think it was 950. I think it was 952. We jumped in and we jumped out of that at 959. We made a quick 24% gain on that couple of minute trade there. It was a really nice trade setup. And now in this afternoon, we just made a paycheck trade on Google. We picked up an out of the money vertical spread here. And if you look at the 3-month daily chart here on Google, it's looking ready for a big breakout. We got the histogram finally turning green. We got the MACD cross, 1020 cross coming up. We got some larger candles coming, and we got some momentum in the markets. Obviously, if you guys weren't paying attention to the news, Trump made a tweet. He's going to be checking himself out of Walter Reed Hospital at 6:30 today. Sources this morning were saying that he was frustrated being in the hospital, and he felt cramped up. So he wanted to check out, and he was discharged. He is being discharged at 6:30 today, and the markets were climbing all day off of that news. If you take a look at SPY here, take a look at SPY. We're finally breaking out of that consolidation box on SPY. If we get a green candle tomorrow, that's going to be a confirmed breakout out of that consolidation. We'll be adding to some further trades then. If you take a look at Qs here, Qs just had that 1020 cross. Now, if we could finally get a break above 283 on Qs here, we're going to be taking a look at that 290, which is something we could do an in-the-money vertical spread, or we could trade tech off of that. Diamond ETF is looking absolutely fantastic, getting a nice climb, breaking out of that consolidation box. A lot of you know that have been with us. We're looking for a final breakout out of that consolidation box that we've been seeing for a while, and we finally got it. So green candle tomorrow, we'll be making some further trades. We also did a trade on work today, and I want to be checking out Facebook. If Facebook continues to run here, Facebook getting up to almost 265, but if we could break that 268 area tomorrow on Facebook, I'm going to be adding that, longing that into the November-December Expo. I'll probably be doing something like an in-the-money vertical spread for some type of paycheck trade, and then I'm also going to be looking at that 290 target. I'll do an out-of-the-money vertical spread on that to capture something like a 300% return if we get up to that level. So it was a great job today. There was a lot of news that just kept pouring out today. If you guys were active in the trade room today at BreakingChartAlerts.com, you guys saw all the breaking news from Bloomberg, Thomson Reuters. We've been posting in the trade room all day. So heck of a day today, guys. We are 5 for 5 with our trades and looking good. So looking forward, if you guys aren't signed up yet for our service, sign up now at BreakingChartAlerts.com. We have class this Thursday, and that class is going to be on how to grow a small account, risk portfolio, and trade management on different types of accounts there. So hope you guys join us, and that will be recorded. It will be saved and will be edited for your viewing pleasure in the future. Hope everyone had a great day. I'm really happy. We're off to a strong start this week and look forward to the rest of the week. Take care, guys. God bless. Have a